Welcome students. So in this video we are going to learn lesson number 7, variation practice set 7.3. So let us begin. First question is, which of the following statements are of inverse variation? Here it is told that here some statements are given. From that, which one is inverse variation and which one is of direct variation? So number of workers on a job and time taken by them to complete the job. Now here, if the number of workers on a job is more, then the time taken to complete the work or complete the job will be less. So if one quantity is increasing and other is decreasing, that means it is which variation? Inverse variation. Second is number of pipes of same size to fill a tank and the time taken by them to fill a tank. Now here, if number of pipes of the same size are there and the time taken to fill the tank is being asked. Now in this case it is inverse variation. Now third, petrol filled in a tank of a vehicle and its cost. If the petrol which is filled in the tank, if the quantity of petrol will increase, then the cost of petrol will also increase. So it is in direct variation. Now area of a circle and its radius. Now here, if the radius is increasing, then the area of circle will also increase. So again this is also in what? Direct variation. Okay, so next one, if 15 workers can build a wall in 48 hours, how many workers will be required to do the same work in 30 hours? Now here, if 15 workers can build or are building the wall in 48 hours, and the question is asked that how many workers will be required to do the same in 30 hours. So if here what they have done, hours is 48 and here in case 30, how many workers will be needed, this has been asked. So 40 का जो number है वो 48 is bigger and 30 is small. So here in this case the value is being decreased. Now if you want to complete the work in 30 hours, then you need more members, more workers. So if one value is increasing and other is decreasing, here time means here hours are decreasing and workers are increasing. So in this case it is inverse variation. So here they have not mentioned for workers what you have to assume or which alphabet you have to assume. So you can take your own alphabet. Now I have took here, let the number of workers be x and the time taken by them to complete the work be y hours. So here inverse variation के लिए what is the formula? See here I have wrote it. X alpha 1 upon y. So next step, x is equal to k upon y. Next step, x into y and is equal to k. K is a constant. Now here, what is the value of x given to you? It is 15. And what is the value of y given to you? It is 48. You will take it. You will substitute it. X is equal to 15, y is equal to 48. Now 15 into 48. How come? X into y. See here, x into y. So 15 into 48 is equal to k. Now so multiply it. K is equal to 720, constant of variation. So the equation of variation is x into y is equal to 720. So here in the next case you have find out what is constant of variation. Value of k you have calculated. Now you have to substitute y with 30 hours. So y is equal to 30, x into y is equal to k. Next 30 into x that is x into y. So replace the value, substitute the values. 30 into x is equal to 720. 30 will go in this right hand side, so it is multiplied here. When it will go to right hand side, it will divide with 720. So x is equal to 24. So in this case 24 workers will be required to do the work in 30 hours. Now next sum is 120 bags of half-liter milk can be filled by a machine with 3 minutes. Find the time to fill such 180 bags. 1800 bags. Now here if 120 bags are filled in 3 minutes, then 1800 bags need more time to fill. So if one quantity is increasing, then other will also increase. In this case, which variation it is? It is direct variation. So here again the same thing, a fixed alphabet is not given. You have to consider your own alphabet. So here I have considered, let the number of bags be m, and the time taken be n minutes. So m is directly proportional to n. So m alpha n. Next step, m is equal to k into 9. Substitute the values. M is equal to 180, n is equal to 3. Now 180 is equal to k into 3. Now here you have to take this k on the left hand side. So what you will do here, the k you will take, and you have to send this 120 to right hand side. So here in this case it is alone. Here multiplication is there. So when this 120 will come in the right hand side, it will divide with 3. So 3 divided by 120, perform the calculations. K is equal to 40, constant of variation. That's it. Now equation of variation is what? M is equal to k into n, so 40 into n. So m is equal to, here in this case 180 bags are given. So m is equal to 1800. M is equal to 40 into n. 40 what? Here it is the value of k. Now next step, 1800 is equal to 40 into n. Now here you have to take this n on the left hand side. It is in you will take it on the left hand side, and this 1800 will come on the right hand side. Here multiplication sign is there. When this will come here, then it will turn into division. So n is equal to 1800 upon 40. This 0 gone, this 0 gone. So 4 say you have to divide. So n is equal to 45. After performing all the calculations, you will get n is equal to 45. So what is the time taken? The time taken to fill 1800 bags is 45 minutes. Okay, thank you students for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe this channel and share it with maximum number of your friends. Thank you.